Hello, my name is Tiago. I am an undergraduate medical student at the Federal University of Santa Maria, Brazil, and I will present the following work: 3D printing in skin cancer prevention for visually impaired children and adolescents. We divided the presentation into 6 topics: problem, idea, prototype, production, results, and next steps. The main motivation was the interest in combating skin neoplasms, which are quite prevalent throughout the state of Rio Grande do Sul, including the city of Santa Maria. In addition to this problem, we are also interested in educational and preventive accessibility, especially for individuals with visual impairments. According to INCA, National Cancer Institute of Brazil, it is estimated for the city of Santa Maria in 2020, 14 cases of melanoma skin cancer, the most aggressive type of skin cancer with the worst prognosis, and 391 non-melanoma skin cancer cases. The less aggressive type, however, is also a malignant tumor. And about vision problems, according to CIDRA, in 2013, in the southern region of the country, there were 1,698,000 people with severe visual impairment. Among these, 82,000 people aged between 0 and 17 years. Based on these questions, we decided to create three-dimensional objects that could help elementary and high school students in understanding the concepts of tissue damage that careless exposure to the sun can cause. For this, we decided to use 3D printing. For the construction of the prototype, we took the following steps. In the histopathological study, it was necessary to search for scientific literature related to epithelial neoplasms to design a solid that was sufficiently similar to a case of melanoma. After viewing microscope slides and didactic figures, it was possible to plan the creation of the piece virtually. For this, we used the free software Tinkercad, which is accessed online via browser. Then we divided the production phase into the following parts: 3D printer installation, learning, tests, choice of material, and print. To start the tests, it was necessary to purchase and install a 3D printer that met our needs. This is a photo of the chosen model, which presents the best benefits-cost ratio. So, once installed, we read the manual to learn the first steps in 3D printing technology. Thus, after understanding its operation, we started the testing phase, considering all the various printing parameters such as extrusion nozzle temperature, table temperature where the solid is printed, ambient temperature and humidity, type of material to be used, and print speeds. In this stage, other objects were printed, such as a red blood cell model, a lumbar vertebra, among others. Here, due to the complexity of finding an optimal configuration, several attempts were necessary, which made the whole work more challenging for us. After researching photos and videos, we decided to use the synthetic thermoplastic polymer, also known as PLA. In addition to its excellent mechanical characteristics, it has other interesting advantages such as biodegradable under ideal conditions, recyclable, compostable, and bioabsorbable with cornstarch as raw material. Once the material, settings, and virtual model have been defined, we proceed to the printing stage, as you can see in this recording. After these steps, we arrived at the final project, as you can see in these figures. There are three pieces that simulate the variation of size, shape, and arrangement of the epithelial cells. The first layer simulates the outer layer, having a more flattened shape and without neoplastic cells. The second layer has large cells and a more spherical shape, also without altered cells. In the third and last layer, there is a notable structural dimorphism, where the cellular characteristics are similar to a skin neoplasm. As next steps, we plan to apply this material to excluding the surrounding area. When applying the material, we will conduct an opinion poll to obtain information from students and teachers about the work as a whole. Thus, with this data in hand, we will be able to optimize what has been built and also envision new projects. The authors also plan to apply this methodology in health courses, aiming to contribute to the advancement of education in related areas. And finally, I would like to thank the entire organizing committee for the opportunity to present this work. Thanks.